Welcome to another video demonstrating the features of Converge. In this video, I'll show you how to use the Newswire services. The Newswire services are personalized for each user of the system. Therefore, when you log into the system the first time, you won't see any news items in the latest Newswires, and also in the Newswire section, you won't see anything. So to set up Newswires for your user, click on the My Profiles tab. Under My Profile, you'll see the available Newswire services. These Newswires have been set up by the administrator of your company. Setting up the Newswires is quite simple, but I'll save that for another video. Simply click the subscribe button next to the Newswires that you find interesting. When you click the subscribe button, you'll see a small pop-up saying that you've now subscribed, and you'll see that the indicator changes from not subscribed to subscribed. So now that we've subscribed, let's try to go back to the dashboard. On the dashboard, you will now see items appearing from the Newswire services that you've selected. On the dashboard, you'll only see news items from the past 24 hours. If you go into the Newswire section, you'll be able to see all the Newswires aggregated over time, and you can even make a search. So, for example, if you made a search on Facebook, you'll see all the different mentions of Facebook in all the Newswires of your interest.